Today we have a Ford Mondeo 2012 model. It's a 2 litre TDCi, the diesel engine, and it's got roughly 130,000 miles on the clock. If you've serviced the car, as we've done, and you've got a warning on the dashboard, oil service, service due. I've got a bit of a low battery on this one. We're going to run you through the process on how to reset that. There you go, service oil. So we'll switch that off and start the process. So we'll start by turning the ignition on, just one press of the button. Let it run through its cycle of checks and bits and pieces. Shouldn't take too long. I'm pretty sure at this stage it's okay to proceed, or you can wait until that. Oh, that's it, it's gone now. So all I'm going to do now, at the same time, press the accelerator and brake pedals as far down as you can and just hold them. So there we go, I'm holding them down. Oh, straight away, oil reset in progress. Just keep holding the pedals down. Feels like it takes forever, but that's it. Oil reset complete. Release the pedals. I'll press the OK button. Ignition off. And that's it. Reset for another 12 months.